Hi, my name is Srinath Venugopal. I am one of the IELTS trainers here at AJINORAH institutions. So today let's discuss more about the speaking module and in particular about the common mistakes in IELTS speaking. So the first topic we will discuss about is the pace and intonation. Pace of speech is very important for IELTS speaking. Since this is a language test, a candidate is expected to speak at a normal pace with appropriate pauses and not make it look like a rehearsed speech. For example, for part A, if you get a question about travel, so your question will be, do you like to travel? So your response should be, yes, I like to travel a lot and I often frequently travel when I get a vacation. So this is the normal type of pace that you are expected to speak for an IELTS speaking course. So this is the normal pace which you are expected to speak at. Often candidates rush through their speech without giving appropriate pauses, and it affects the coherency, which is one of the main criteria for evaluation. The next point is the intonation. Proper intonation is also very important. Without that, the speaking session of the candidate sounds monotonous and robotic. For example, if you are talking about something that excites you, in your tone there should be an excitement. If you are talking about something that has made you sad, in your tone there should be some sadness. So that should come as a way you normally speak. A person does not speak that way in the native language. Since IELTS is a language test, we are expected to speak it like our native language. The second major point is use of fillers. Candidates show hesitancy during their speaking sessions, mainly due to lack of confidence and fear of missing out key vocabulary during their speaking. When they fail to find a suitable word during the speaking, they usually use fillers, which are mostly sounds made either consciously or without the knowledge of the candidate. Many candidates are afraid they would be judged by the examiner and they hesitate to even speak basic information about themselves. The next major mistake that candidates make is the use of certain cliche words. Most candidates end their sentences by using certain words like and or, something, nothing. Such words are not to be used during the speaking sessions, as such usages are grammatically incorrect and add no meaning to the sentence which is spoken. It is better to end the sentence properly than use such unwanted extensions which serve absolutely no purpose. The next major mistake that candidates make is the incorrect use of tense during speaking. This is an important aspect to be careful of during speaking sessions. Events which were completed in the past have to be mentioned in the past tense. Current events have to be mentioned in the present tense, and those likely to happen ahead in the future tense. Improper use of tense can lead to a lack of understanding by your examiner and affect your score adversely. Also, whatever is spoken in improper tense becomes factually incorrect. Another commonly seen mistake among candidates is going off topic. Many students in the middle of the speaking session lose sight of the question asked and tend to go off on their own tangent. Talking more is not the same as talking correctly. The questions asked are pretty straightforward and a candidate does not need to answer it in more than 3 to 4 sentences. I hope these tips were useful for you and I hope you use them for getting a better score in an IELTS speaking exam. All the best and thank you.